Ubigi eSIM review, is it worth it? Hello and welcome to our channel, WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to review Ubigi eSIM. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So basically, Ubigi is a cellular connectivity and eSIM service provider that ensures you to stay connected no matter where you are in the world. And Ubigi is actually a brand owned by Transatel, which is a company with 2 decades of experience in service and innovation, in which they offer top-notch data plans at prices for smartphones, tablets, laptops, and connected cars in over 200 destinations. And with Ubigi, you get hassle internet access without the need to bother with changing SIM cards or dealing with roaming charges and contracts, in which they have arranged plans that suit any budget or requirements. So managing your account is super easy through their platform or their handy Ubigi app. And Ubigi also provides cellular connectivity solutions for connected cars from renowned brands like Alfa Romeo, Jeep, Fiat, Maserati, Jaguar, and Land Rover. So whether you're a traveler exploring horizon or digital nomad working worldwide, Ubigi is definitely an ideal choice to ensure you stay connected and productive wherever you go. And to delve deeper into Ubigi and its functionalities, make sure you keep watching this video until the end. And now that we know the overview of Ubigi eSIM, we can now proceed to the pricing comparison of Ubigi eSIM versus its competitors. Now, as you can see on the data on this table, we have here destination data plan of Ubigi versus its competitor such as Holafly, Nomad, and SIM options. And for destination and USA, it offers data plan of 30 days unlimited, in which Ubigi offers $200 per month, while Holafly offers $69, while Nomad offers $118, while SIM options offer $59 for it. While for 1GB, Ubigi offers $29, while for 3GB, it offers $49, while Holafly offers 1GB amounting to $29 and 3GB amounting to $39. On the other hand, Nomad offers $29 for 1GB and $3 for $49, while SIM options offer $19 for 1GB and 3GB amounting to $29. So as you can see, the Ubigi and its competitor has a uniform pricing plan despite of different destinations such as on USA, Europe, Asia, and Australia. And you could also see here that the data plan on each destination is also uniform, which is 30 days unlimited and 1GB and 3GB. And as you can see on this table, SIM options offer the lowest prices for most of the plans, followed by Holafly. However, even though Ubigi is the most expensive option, but it also has the highest limit of 200GB for the unlimited plans, while Nomad has similar prices to Ubigi but with lower data limit compared to Ubigi. Now moving on to the data plans comparison of Ubigi, here's the table that summarizes the main features and prices of Ubigi eSIM data plans. And please note that the prices are in US dollars and may vary depending on the exchange rate and availability. So as you can see, we have here data plan of Global, Europe, USA, UK, while duration is almost the same, which is 30 days, 1GB and 3GB on each data plan. But the data limit is also the same, which is 200GB and also 1GB and 3GB, while the price is also almost the same, which is $200 and $29 for 1GB and $49 for 3GB. However, they just differ in terms of coverage, such as in Global, it offers 200 plus destinations, while in Europe offers 50 plus destinations, while USA is just on USA coverage, while UK is also in just UK coverage. And you can also check the full list of countries and network partners on Ubigi's website. Now moving on, in terms of compatibility of Ubigi eSIM, the Ubigi eSIM compatibility refers to the capability of a device to utilize Ubigi data plans. And these data plans are prepaid plans that can be activated and used on devices that support eSIM, eliminating the need for a SIM card. And with Ubigi data plans, individuals can enjoy high-quality internet access in over 200 destinations worldwide. And Ubigi extends its support for eSIM across a range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, laptops, and connected cars. While the collaboration between Ubigi and industry giants like Apple and Microsoft has made it possible to experience functionality on iOS and Windows 10 devices. Additionally, Ubigi ensures compatibility with Android devices from brands such as Samsung, Google, Huawei, Sony, Motorola, Oppo, and many more. And now that we know the compatibility, we can now proceed to the customer support of Ubigi eSIM. So basically, the customer support is a service designed to assist Ubigi eSIM data plan users, in which it offers help with aspects such as activation, installation usage, billing, and troubleshooting. And should you require assistance from Ubigi customer support, there are several ways to reach out. The first one is the Ubigi Help Center that provides a wealth of information including frequently asked questions and guides and tutorials. And by completing a form, you can easily connect with the support team via email or phone. And you can also reach the customer service number during business hours, which is from Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Paris time. And since Ubigi eSIM customer support prioritizes delivering high-quality service and ensuring customer satisfaction, their goal is to address any issues or concerns effectively. Additionally, they have value, feedback, and suggestions from customers as it aids in enhancing their products and services. And now that we know the customer support of Ubigi eSIM, we can now proceed to the pros and cons of using eSIM Ubigi. So the pros of using it is that the eSIM is compact, secure, and immune to damage or loss, in which it allows for storage of cellular profiles and easy switching between them. And in case of loss or theft, it can be easily controlled remotely. And it is also compatible with a range of devices and connected cars that support technology. And users can manage their account and data plans conveniently through an accompanying app. And Ubigi offers flexible data plans that cater to needs and budgets. And should technical assistance be required, there is a customer service number as an online form available to contact the support team. While the cons of using Ubigi eSIM is that, as a new technology, it may not be available on all phone models or carriers yet, and transferring the eSIM to a device or troubleshooting network issues might pose some challenges compared to SIM cards. And unlike providers, Ubigi does not offer unlimited data plans for eSIM users. And in destinations and data plans, prices may be higher compared to alternative providers. And now, in conclusion, Ubigi eSIM provides a mobile service that can be utilized on devices with eSIM in more than 200 locations, in which it offers affordable internet connectivity for travelers, digital nomads, and anyone who wishes to stay connected and productive, no matter where they're in the world. And Ubigi eSIM offers data plans, which is an app for managing your account, as well as customer support via phone and an online form for technical assistance. So basically, it's a choice for users seeking convenience, security, and cost savings. So that is just basically the review about Ubigi eSIM. Thank you.